Welcome back to AORUS 101. Today, we're diving into something super cool for all you gamers out there. It's the resolution switch on the latest GIGABYTE OLED gaming monitors in 2024. Resolution switch is a game changer, especially for you FPS enthusiasts who need that extra edge in spotting your rivals and reducing eye fatigue. It's a smart fix for those of you with big screens where keeping track of everything can get a bit overwhelming. When you're not in the heat of battle, your monitor transitions back to its full glory, giving you the full screen experience for your non-FPS gaming pleasures. Curious about which monitors are equipped with this nifty feature? We've got a list popping up on your screen right now. Here's how you get the resolution switch up and running. Step 1. Cast your eyes to the lower edge of your GIGABYTE OLED monitor. See that nifty little button nestled to the right of the 5-way power button? That's your tactical switch, the real deal we're diving into. Oh, and by the way, that's the KVM key hanging out on the left. Step 2. Hit that tactical switch. A quick heads up will flash on the screen, advising you to close any full screen apps to avoid any hitches. We recommend kicking off your games post-switch to keep things smooth. Step 3. Press the power key to confirm switching. Hold tight for a few seconds. The screen will take a quick nap, go black, and then voila! Your display is now optimized for FPS gaming at 24 inches with crisp full HD resolution. A little side note, currently, we're all about that 24-inch life, and the default anchor point for scaling is set at the bottom. Want to tweak the screen position? Here's the drill. Ensure the resolution switch is active. Hit the 5-way power button at the monitor's base to summon the OSD menu. Tap on Game Assist, and let's venture into the subsequent menu. Now we're in the Game Assist menu. Spot the tactical switch option on the left. Dive into the resolution switch settings, and hit the location option to align your screen just the way you like, top, center, or bottom. And for those of you who are all about efficiency, just below the location option, you'll find the Notice setting. Here, you can bypass the switch prompt in the Notice options to save some precious seconds. And there you have it, a swift tour through the resolution switch. Another brilliant tactical feature from GIGABYTE designed to amplify your gaming prowess. Got questions? Need more AORUS 101 wisdom? Hit us up in the comments below. Until next time, keep tuning, and as always, team up, fight on!